Hi everybody, this is TJ Squirter. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing reaction package reviewing for you guys. So basically, I got a package today that just came out on Amazon. Now today I'll be reviewing it. So I just ordered a meow plushie, and I guess it's from Hazbin Hotel. So I just pre-ordered Angel Dolls plushie. Or meow plushie. Yeah. Yeah, one of those anime meow plushies. Yeah, because I kind of like return to Hazbin Hotel characters into meow plushie the cats. Like Husk, Angel Dolls, Alistair, Lucifer. Like all of those Hazbin Hotel characters, yeah. So yeah, so I'll be doing my package review. Yeah, so this is Angel Dolls when he was a meow plushie. Or a cat. What's the difference, yeah. Looks kind of cute. I kind of like Angel Dolls. Yeah, I'm not saying Angel Dolls, not saying he's one of my favorite all-time character from Hazbin Hotel series on Prime. I think he is, well, yeah, because he's a demon spider, yeah, from hell. So yeah. There he is. Yeah, he has some cute ears. I mean, kind of like he's, yeah, I definitely he's gonna be a little bit bigger, but he's a little bit like medium size, smaller a little bit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but he looks kind of cute. Hello. It's like he's waving. It says hello. Yeah, he looks kind of cute. I kind of like picking out his fur, like pink fur, yeah, and his bow tie. And maybe they did a pretty good job on those meow plushies as Hazbin Hotel characters, yeah. I mean, it looks kind of cute. I kind of like his meow plushie. So yeah. So I kind of like it. I mean, he looks a little bit medium size. I was afraid he's gonna be much more bigger than the picture there, but it doesn't matter. I mean, he looks kind of like medium size cat plushie, yeah. You see his tail, yeah. You can see his feet. It's like a wet paw. I mean, yeah, like, the difference between his face, yeah, I kind of like it. He looks kind of cute. I do like him. He looks kind of adorable. Yeah. So yeah, it's a lesson of me reviewing, packaging, reviewing, unboxing, meow, Hazbin Hotel, Angel Dolls plushie. So make sure you guys hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And make sure you guys leave down your thoughts down the comments down below. Make sure you guys leave down the link, down the description, down the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video. So anyways, first 7.5 here, so TJ squared out.